You can see I just got done traveling and my car is full of bugs. And what I found best to work before you go to the car wash is this awesome oxygen orange, which I bought, and I'll provide a link in the description below. So this is what I do. I squirt it on the affected area. Take a cloth, wait a second or two, and then just wipe it off. So let's bring it up close so you can see a little bit better what the lights look like, since they are full of bugs. As you can see, there's bugs guts all over the lights. I'm going to spray the stuff. Let it sit a second. Then I'm going to come back in with just a paper towel or something. I'm going to just wipe on it. If I lower a bit below, so if I bring you down and show you a little bit lower, as you can see, there's more bug guts from traveling. So I'm going to spray my stuff. Let it soak it up for a second or two. And then I'm going to come in with my cloth and wipe it down. Now it's not going to be perfect, but it's going to be better than what it was. Might need a little elbow grease for some of the bigger bugs that just get stuck. But it's going to clean off most of the bugs that are on my lights. And then when I go through the car wash, I'll clean up the rest that I missed. And sometimes you have to do a second spray. So I'll do my second spray. Make sure I just get it good. Let it set for a second or two. Come back in and wipe it down. This will save you expenses on taking your car to get detailed, as I will continue to shine my car and eventually take it to the car wash. But if you have any questions and want to know more, check out my next video on what I plan to teach you more about on how to do things on your car. Want to learn more? Just go to Work Less Better Pay and I'll teach you the way. Thank you.